Hello. This is Taxi Joe Rides para sa ating episode again for Taxi Joe Rides this evening mga ka-rides. So, hello po, shout out po dyan here in Baguio City. So, I'm here in Massage Lux here in Baguio City. So, watch out this place, guys. So, I invite all of them for you here to experience the good service about Massage Lux here in Baguio City. So, welcome ko here in my page for Taxi Joe Rides para kay Madam here in Lux Massage. Okay? Hello, Madam. Eliza po from Lux Massage Lux. So, can you tell about Madam ang kung saan nag-originate itong ating Massage Lux?
Okay.
Okay.
So, this Massage Lux po Baguio City po is actually the 4th branch ng Massage Lux pa Inc. So, the first 3 branches po namin is nasa Libis, and then Valencia Hills, and then BF Paranaque.
So, saan talaga nag-originate ang Massage Lux? Here in Baguio ba?
Hindi po. Sa Quezon City po talaga.
Oh, really?
Yes
So,
po.
branch up ito?
Yes po, this is the 4th branch. So, our management decided to have a 4th branch here sa Baguio City, and they decided na yung Baguio City branch is going to be Japanese inspired. So, as you can see, lahat po ng sulok namin is Japanese inspired.
Yes.
And this is actually the first ever Japanese onsen spa here in Baguio City. So, yun po yung, kumbaga, pinaka-specialty namin dito. We are known for that, and we are actually pioneering when it comes to massage services here in Baguio City. Kasi very
So
professional.
this is a Japanese therapy massage, okay? So hindi siya yung combine ng parang Swedish massage or Thai massage, so combination pa
naman, sir.
rin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, oo.
Yes po, combination naman. Yung actually yung aming signature massage yung Saitai is combination of Swedish, Shiatsu, and Thai. So,
Oh,
yun
right.
po.
Oo, tama nga. Oo, sabi mo nga. So, ka-rides yun and share. So, watch out yung ating mga ka-rides dyan. Lalo na yung ating mga kabaro, like watch dyan sa ating mga kapula dyan. Invite them. Kahit paminsan-minsan mag-experience sila about sa massage natin. Kasi lalo na kami sa mga sa transport at driver, kasi driver sa Taxi Joe Rides So I invite them all, yung mga ating mga katoto dyan, kabaro dyan, here in Massage Lux. Napakaganda talaga ng service at the same time. So any more pa para
Yun po.
please invite them.
Yes po. Please follow our social media accounts at Massage Lux po Baguio City. And you have to watch out po our future promo. So meron po kaming promo for this May. Meron kaming Labor Day special, and then Mother's Day special, and many more. So you just have to watch out po and follow our pages for you to stay tuned po sa mga promos namin.
Ayun, well said at well done para do sa ating here in Baguio Massage Lux. So ina-invite them So mga karay, promo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Mahirap ng experience at kayo naman ang makakapag-decide kung Pero sa akin, in my part, so 10 to 10 ito So parang 100% na okay, good service sila. So yun lang So wala po ba tayong pwedeng i-shoutout dyan, Madam, para sa ating mga out there dyan sa may something?
Okay. Ano na lang po, shout out na lang po sa lahat ng customers namin for the past months. We just started po ng November 2024.
So November pa lang pala pero
Yes.
parang booming na,
Yes, po,
so
and we're
that's
so
good.
thankful for that. So thank you so much po sa lahat po ng clients namin, mapo-tourist man or locals. Thank you so much po sa pagtangkilik sa Massage Lux po. And we would like to invite you pa po to enjoy all our services, our facilities, kasi it's gonna be worth the price.
Yeah, thank you very much, Madam, sa
Thank you so
pag-invite
much po.
sa akin here in Massage Lux at napaka-grateful and tawag dito, good experience ang aking Naku, salamat. Mabuhay ka, Madam Karaij. Salamat, Madam Karaij. Thank you very much. So, yun lang guys, yung ating making episode for this. So, I end my station for my vlog here for Luxury Set. So, anymore, nandito lang po kami. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Keep shine. Time to shine.